station park. Okay, the mud. It's all downhill now. Hold on. Oh, still muddy. I can feel it on the back of my legs. Just mud flicking up. Woo! Far out of the mud. Woo! Caked on. You can see that sheep been herded in. Just a good farm. Just left beautiful valley, caravan park at Wilmington. Some great camping spots at the back. Here with Quorn Creek running through. I stayed near the playground, camp kitchen. You can see a cloud in the valley in front of me. Hasn't quite lifted yet. Cool morning, sunny, and lots of dew on the tent. So need to dry that out sometime today. Anyway, rain forecast this evening. Got accommodation already checked in at Wirrabara. So hopefully you can see cloud valley there. Just outside Melrose in this long straight. Just out of Melrose in the rolling countryside. The Wirrabara forest. Just in Wirrabara. And the silo, wheat silos are being painted. Beautiful, fantastic. Good job. The pub I stayed at last night, the Wirrabara Hotel. Yeah, got a walking and cycling track right next to the main freeway, so that's fantastic. And this is probably the old railway line anyway, so hopefully this joins up with the existing trail. So this obviously looks like the end of the trail, except they put a barbed wire fence around. So I have to go back a bit in order to get onto the main road. Very strange. Anyway, now line, and it should rejoin on the Mawson Trail. Everything is what it is. Mawson says to the right. I'm not going to do that. That's strange, I haven't finished it. So just want to get a video of these little critters that have been crawling over the Stone Hut to Laura bike path. Haven't connected it to the Wirrabara line yet. Anyway, soon they will. Just a view of Laura and where I've come from. So at the Manitou School, 1920 to 1927. Can we fix it? Yes, we can. It's a bit windy now. This one then got run over. So go through this gate and then we turn left. Another gate. Pushing it up this hill. Route. Normally the trail would go right through that gate and then down that road. It looks like we go this way. Tree on the cross the path. Just when I was on about 30. I don't see a code on that side. Swing, water tanks, toilet, and a human. How you going? Yeah, very good. Tiring. Make sure I don't get lost through this forest. What was that? Stick. Oh, no, what? Wire. Let's make sure. One, two, three. This one at the many gates, come across. Amazing stone wall. Oh, it's the top of the ridge. Near the Bandelier Reservoir. Concrete channels, take the water from the dam, reservoir, just downstream. A little bit chilly,